I was looking for an easy way to get in a few extra steps each day. And so I got this, and wow, I am blown away. Let me show you.
Assembly is quick and easy. First, you're going to want to start with attaching the screws and the knobs into the handlebar and the running deck. Then you're going to secure the armrest with the steel ball latch. Super easy. This is the phone holder base, and it does come with a screwdriver. So you're going to put this part on first, and then the actual back of the phone holder goes on second. These are the latex plugs that hide the screw openings. Here I am showing my walking speed at 4 miles per hour. It feels so sturdy and comfortable, and I love how I can watch my son play in his sandbox outside while I move my body, and I can also use it while working and standing at a desk or reading a book or watching TV. The walking pad is really quiet, so it's not distracting at all, and it has a shock absorption, so it doesn't bother my knees, which is really great. And I was jogging here at top speed, which is 6.3 miles per hour, and it just works perfectly for me. It's so smooth. And when I click the stop button, you can see how it slows. The remote is so handy for controlling the speed. It's just so convenient to have. So here you can see I'm not on the treadmill, but it is going at top speed, and when I press the stop button, you can see how it decreases quite quickly. However, I did speed this up 2 times, so just for the length of the video. I love the option for the incline. It's such a great way to increase the intensity of my workout. And then I can even add these little orange boosters to make the incline slightly more. And the armrests come in handy too. An added feature I really appreciate is being able to see the time spent, the speed, the distance, and the calories burnt. Putting it away is such a breeze. Just unscrew the knobs, remove the handlebar latches, and fold it down and tighten the bolt. Make sure to remove the incline boost and push the incline feet up into store, and you're all set.
If you're looking for a sturdy piece of equipment that you can fold away when you're not using, you can walk or jog on it, this is going to be an awesome, awesome choice.